cookies.
Halloween edition.
With a Halloween bowl.
There's a movie. I don't know why I said that. Yeah. And we have a special guest. I am a whoopee cushion.
I don't know what I am.
She's a fish.
I'm, I guess, a Day of the Dead person.
And that is a little monster person.
I'm the devil. We already preheated the oven, so that part's done.
We gotta open up our cookie mix.
And we made the icing.
What a moment. Yeah, it's purple icing.
Gotta love purple icing.
Ready?
Some butter, eggs. I think this is flour. Yep.
Dumpling.
Alright. Next we need, what is for cutout cookies? 3 tablespoons of gold medal to 3 tablespoons. What is gold medal?
Do you want to do it?
I don't care.
I can't speak. Yeah.
What is going on?
I don't know what is happening.
Something's happening in the back of my head and I'm not sure. 2.
It's not my...
And we don't have a single tablespoon, so we're going to guesstimate. That looks like 3. And a stick of butter.
Is this squishy enough, you think?
Yeah.
Or should we heat
We
it
should
up?
maybe melt it so it's just liquid.
Melt
We
it,
can
have it
straight
explode in my microwave. Okay, I'll get a bowl out for that. This has been sitting out since 10 a.m. and it's
3, 4.
4 o'clock.
Oh
my god, it's so squishy and I touched it. How long should I put it in?
30-second increments. Because we don't have one of those things, so we're just not.
What?
Oh, guys, Kinsey just died. I guess we're just gonna have to take these off on our head now.
Yeah.
Here, I gotta take her body out. Is that blood? She's spewing blood.
What?
Where'd he go?
Oh.
The killer's gone.
Ruh-roh.
He's gonna get somebody next. I'm scared. Kenzie's forever gone. R.I.P. What is going on with this one? Can I get a stirring spoon? Sure. We're making the cookies orange and we have purple icing, so it's nice and spooky. For spooky season. Because it is October 1st.
Happy Halloween, queens and kings, and all of the in-betweens.
Princesses, princes. You wanna try it? Ooh. Do you have gloves? Because I don't want to get it under my fingernails.
Here, I'll grab it for you. How about that?
You gotta like work it with your hands.
Yeah, I'll grab.
Now it's time to start working with your hands. There you go. Yeah.
This is an interesting shade. Don't you think?
Yeah.
Maybe it should just be blood splattered cookies.
True. Monsters dancing. Jeez. What was that?
Somebody lift up my whoopee cushion. Can somebody?
Ow. She looks like a pig snout. From the top. Yeah. Alexa, play royalty-free music.
Here's some music by royalty-free music.
What?
On Amazon Music.
Any more yellow?
Yeah, a lot more. Just like dribble it in there. Okay, that's good. I think my hands are gonna be stained. I'm editing all of this out, by the way. I'm not letting myself look like a fool in front of the entirety of McClain High School. Love you guys.
Okay, is that good? I don't know where
wants to go. What? This is like, it's like a pink starburst.
It's like Laffy Taffy. Not Laffy Taffy. Airhead. Do you have the spatula? Because I need to get it to pick these up because they're just crumbling. Oh, the actual two.
The cookies are not cooking.
They are.
It looks like we're making Patrick Star cookies.
That's what I said.
Since everybody like in SpongeBob have like last names, why doesn't SpongeBob have a last name?
SpongeBob SquarePants.
SquarePants.
SquarePants is his last name?
Yes.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Can't itch my face.
She's like a makeup artist.
Yeah.
Kinsey tried to get us to cook cookies in a puke bowl.
I would die if there was an apocalypse.
Sounds like Snoop.
Stop it!
Oh.
Break time! We're back! Break is over. Wait. Should I just like
My head
lock it
hurts
on there?
so bad.
Just mop it.
I have rug burn on my elbows. Look at this. What if we just like get one?
Oh, that is smart actually. What the heck?
And when this dries, it crystallizes and it's really good. Oh.
Good.
Best bakers in town.
Cookies are done. Taste test.
How much do you rate that? 1 out of 10.
6.5.
Thanks for watching Cooking Cookies for the Withy Creaky Cooks.
What am I going to do? What am I doing?
Just